Hi everybody, welcome back to Cooking with Grandpa. Joe here and Lorenzo on the camera, my grandson, back from school for recess. Today we're going to make a nice simple meal, very dietetic and very nutritional. We're going to make sockeye salmon. I buy this at BJ's. They got about 6 in them, 2 pounds. We're making 3 today. They come frozen like this, so I defrosted them the night before and I put them on this plate. We'll deal with this in a little while. First thing we're going to do is we're going to make the breadcrumb topping. I got 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs. And that's the only measurement I'm going to give you because the other stuff is basically to taste. So I'm going to put a little salt in there, a little pepper, garlic powder, and some parsley. It doesn't look like much, but it's enough for the 3 fillets I have here. I'm using sockeye salmon because I think sockeye salmon is a little stronger flavor than the other salmon fillets, Atlantic and Pacific. And it has more omega-6s in it, which is good for you. So I like it. If you don't like it, that strongness, use the other ones. Okay, so I mixed it all together. That's plenty for 3 of them. And what I'm going to tell you about now is the first thing I do is not to go back and forth into this mustard and contaminate it. I'm going to take a spoonful and put it on this flat plate. And we're only going to use the spoon to go into the mustard if we need more. And what I do now is I take a little bit of this mustard with this knife and you start spreading it around on your fillets. Okay, they're all painted. Now we take them and we put them in our baking dish. What you do is I get a little teaspoon, start sprinkling this on them. Just about enough. This is 2 tablespoons for 3 of these fillets. And that's it. And now you take this and put it in a 400-degree oven. We're going to see what time, about 20 minutes. You want it to come up. FDA says 140. Some chefs like to do it around 130. They don't like to dry it out, but FDA says for safety reasons to do to 140. So we're going to do it close. We just took this out of the oven. I'm checking the temperature. It was about 15-20 minutes at 400 degrees, and we're good with the temperature. We're around 140. Very good. Okay, by the way, I forgot to mention to you, I started our oven roasted potatoes when I started this meal. We're gonna have that on the side. You can boil potatoes and also have that on the side and give it with a little sour cream or a little mayonnaise and make a potato salad, and you could use it any way you want. But my grandson, he likes the oven roasted potatoes, so we made that, and you can refer to our video up here and they'll give you the recipe for that. Okay, we're gonna have Lorenzo come in and plate this.
So we have a wonderful fish-shaped plate.
Oh wow!
So we're gonna put the fish on there and
they
put
get real fancy.
And put the potatoes on the side. So let's get on fish first. I try to loosen it up a little bit. Here we go. Number 1. Here. Number 2. Number 3. We got right there.
Good.
And
Looks
then
good.
let's get our potatoes on this. We have our wonderful roasted potatoes on the side, so let's add those to the side.
Okay, we're all done. You got a great meal here. Simple, not too hard to bake, and nutritional and dietetic too. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you on our next video. Thanks for coming.